In this tutorial I will show you how to add cameras into the MOBOTIX Sync software. For this you need the MOBOTIX Sync software included with a license and also a MOBOTIX IoT camera with activated Vector app or the Move MxAnalytics camera. First of all, we will log into our MOBOTIX Sync under the local host 8080 address here. First of all, we will go to the configuration and the zones. Then we click here on the plus symbol to add a new zone, for example, MOBOTIX. Then we have to enable the admin so that it has the right to perform on this zone. And the zone is some kind of location where the camera is located. In the second step, I will add a camera. Just click on camera here, plus symbol, and then we have to define a plate read ID. In this case, I will put the number 3 here. The region of interest ID, by default, if you add a region of interest in the camera, it has the ID number 1. Then we put here a camera name, for example, entry, and put this into the zone MOBOTIX AG. Click on save. And now we have the camera added, but it's not synchronized, nothing with the camera. So first of all, we would switch to the camera. Go into setup menu, certified app settings. Switch into my activated Vector LPR app. And go to the reporting interfaces. Here we have the reporting interface MOBOTIX Sync. We will enable it, and then we have to put the URL of the MOBOTIX Sync installation. So in this case, this is my PC with the port 8080 by default /sync. Then we have to add an API key, and we will get it from the MOBOTIX Sync settings. And we switch to settings here, go to the users, and in this case we use the admin user here. Click on admin, and then we will receive the API key. So we just copy this one here. The API key tells the camera or the reporting interface which rights it has in the MOBOTIX Sync. Then we switch back to the camera, add the API key here, and then we have to decide which camera ID the camera has. So in this case we add the number 3, also for the overview image, and then you can decide if you want to sync some white blacklist with the camera. You can add here a number of minutes, so by default it's 0, so that the app will not synchronize with the MOBOTIX Sync. If you put 1, then the camera tries to connect and synchronize every minute with the black and white list. Just click on set, close, OK, and then we will switch back to the MOBOTIX Sync, go into the configuration, cameras, and then we will see the last ping was some seconds ago. After a while you will also receive an image of the camera overview, and when we go to the plates, you will see that the detection is synchronized, and the camera will send each detection to the MOBOTIX Sync.